course, is choosing your flowers. And this is a really exciting moment to be really creative and choose colors that inspire you. Also, you want to think about what you're wearing for the event. If it's going to be something where you really want to pop, you want your flowers to be the main event, you may want to wear something more neutral, just like Beyonce does on the cover of Vogue. You'll notice that she's wearing white, and it's a way for that flower crown to really take the lead on her style. Another thing that we love to do is to take inspiration from different artists. So we do a Frida Kahlo crown that really has that big red rose surrounded by bright yellows and oranges to make it really bold and primary color driven. We also sometimes do a Midsummer Night's Dream that really leans on a lot more of the greenery and the ferns. So you have the opportunity to be as creative as you want in this moment and to really design a crown that speaks to you and your style.
Another really fun part of making a flower crown is going to be your greenery. We go out in the yard and we start pulling things. This is a little miniature bamboo that we use. It's really super fantastic for making a very unusual crown because it'll stick up straight in the head or it'll lay down flat like this. Things like this. You want to pick things that are hardy, have like a more of a woody stem to them. Love these because they have a silver background on them. For me, I like to go organic. I love berries. This is a crepe myrtle, and I'll wire these kind of in a thickness. And then also we have the Asian jasmine, which is a ground cover. That's when it's allowed to go wild. It does these really long stringy things, and we will wire them into our crowns and have them hang off like hair. And it'll be more like a Rapunzel kind of thing going on. And this is an anthurium with the leaf. We're going to show you how to wire these so that they'll hang really beautifully an accent. Another thing we do is rosemary. This particular flower here is a stock. It's known for its fragrance. People love it when you walk by and you smell the rosemary in here or any other kind of herb. Yes, ma'am. But
yeah,
once again,
the combination of these two together gives it a really woodsy, beautiful scent. And I think that's a really important point, Mom. You don't have to spend a lot of money buying a ton of flowers. Of course, you can go to your local grocery store, you can amp it up and pick a showstopper from a local florist. But a lot of these pieces are things that we've just found in our natural habitat.
There's a lot of different kind of things that you can do to make it organic and fun.
Yeah.
Different.
So one thing I do want to point out is that there are varying degrees of durability in the plants that you choose. So some of the flowers that we have here, the roses for example, they're going to last really, really well. Other flowers that are really good for that, orchids, those are also a really great one. Zinnias last a really long time. What other flowers last a long time?
The proteas, like the pincushion protea.
Yeah, great. So we've covered durability. We want flowers that are going to be really durable. We've covered complementary colors and choosing colors that align with your outfit choice. We've just talked about fragrance, choosing stock and rosemary herbs to really bring out the fragrance of your crown. Anything else, Mom? Did we miss anything?
Yeah, I think we're ready to go.
All right, so the next step, we're going to be wiring and putting all these pieces together. Stay tuned.